Hello, my name's Isaac Shadowshade, and I'm the director of the Format Crew. I'm going to be telling you how you format and what you're going to be doing. So, there is format logs right here, see? And usually, so each group has their different ways of running things and maybe different formats, but it's usually going to be previous name and then the new name. And so to format, you go to this, then you go to name update request if you're going to be looking at this. Let's say they didn't do this guy yet. And so we take this guy, we take his first name, we'd copy that, we'd go over here, do that, and then after that, let's say we had to change him. So how you do that is, so let's say he wasn't formatted at all, and this was his name right here. So we'd copy that, go to this, type in exclamation mark who is, all one word, and then that. It just did that because it was being weird, but, and then just that. You can do it without some certain things, like you can do it without the name or without the tag, but it's better with both because there might be more than one person with a tag, or more than one person with a name. And then we'd go back to this, type in the new name, but with the format which is level departments. If there's no departments, you would type in n/a, but this guy's in SCD, so we do that, and you just paste it, and then you got his name, and you'd press enter, but since he was already formatted, there's no need for that. Another way to do it is, and then you'd go and change his name by right-clicking, and then clicking change nickname, and then copy what you put in the earlier place and paste it. The other way for doing it is going over here, right-clicking on the server, go to server settings, members, and then you'd go up here, find a certain level or whatever. Let's try Class D. So see, these ones don't matter, Class D don't matter as much as the levels. I'd prefer it if you did these, level 1, level 2, and level 3. But it's fine. Let's do, you have to find ones with a verified role, because otherwise you can't find their name. So, here's some, but they're already formatted, which is pretty good. Let's see. Let's go over here, and we'll actually try to find someone with a level. By the way, for CDs, you don't have to worry about their departments. You can just put in, let me find one that's, it's gonna take a bit. Right here. So see, they don't have a department, and for guests, which don't have the Class D role at all, but they're just verified, instead of Class D, you put guests. That's how you deal with those. There's also Class E, which is basically the same thing. They don't have a department. And then for CI, I'm pretty sure we saw them. Let me see. Right here. See, you'd put CI and then their name, like this. Then, let's see. Let's go to level 0. We'll take this guy's name, copy that, go to format, commands, type in the whois command. Rover might break, well, nope, it didn't break that time, which is good, but it might break, and you'll just have to wait until it does come back. So, we have this guy's name. We can go back to members, level 0, go get his name, and go type in his name, and departments, And then I suggest copying this and his previous name too and put that in before, but it's just to show you how it is. And you go over here and do the format logs, but I already showed you how to do that. In the format force, there's ways to get into groups. So let's say you're in your format end list and you wanted to get into group 1. You just find the XO, which is Denbachu, or however you pronounce it, and you could go DM them, or you could go find him and go DM him to join. Secondly, if let's say you're in group 2 and you want to go to group 3, you just find the group 3 XO slash format leader and DM them, and you can just transfer like that. You don't have to have permission from your previous one or whatever. And then with GOC, let's see, where are they? Right here. They're just like Class D and Class E, except you just put GOC and then the name. And that's about it. Oh, aside from if they're a level in the group, then you just do the same thing as if it was a department. And that's all there is. I hope you enjoy formatting, and yeah, good luck.